smoking spaceship. Taking more notes like I'm in space trip. Taking more dudes when I'm in space.
BeatStars.com.
Run around in the space sprint. Sure, I can beat up, yeah.